In a bright and colorful town, there lived a little raccoon named Leo. Leo loved fixing things more than anything else. One sunny morning, Leo was inside the workshop with his father, Papa Bear. The workshop was full of tools, shelves, and old vehicles. Leo saw an old blue truck standing quietly in the corner. The truck looked tired and dusty. Leo put on his yellow safety helmet and his gloves. He was ready to work. Leo picked up a small hammer. Tap, tap, tap. He gently fixed the metal parts of the truck. Next, Leo used a pipe wrench. Creak. He tightened the loose pipes carefully. Leo used many different tools: a screwdriver, a spanner, a wrench. Papa Bear watched proudly from behind. Leo was doing most of the work all by himself. Slowly, the truck began to change. The wheels became strong. The lights started to shine. Beep, beep. The truck was ready. Leo smiled with joy. He had fixed the truck with his own hands. Suddenly, far away on the road, two cat-shaped cartoon cars were racing. One was red, one was blue. They were having fun, driving fast under the sunny sky. But then, the red cat car gently bumped into the blue cat car. It was not a big crash, just a small head. The blue cat car lost balance. It slid off the road and fell into the river. Splash! The blue cat car was scared and stuck in the water. The red cat car stopped and felt very sorry. Leo heard the sound and looked toward the river. Someone needed help. Leo quickly climbed into the rescue truck. Papa Bear sat beside him. Leo drove slowly and carefully toward the river. When they arrived, Leo jumped out and prepared the rescue tools. He threw a strong rope with a hook into the river. Papa Bear guided him calmly. Leo pulled the handle with all his strength. Roar! Slowly, the blue cat car came out of the water. The rescue was successful. The blue cat car was safe again. The red cat car apologized. Everyone felt happy and relieved. As the sun began to set, the sky turned golden and warm. Leo, Papa Bear, the rescue truck, and both cat cars stood together. They were smiling and safe. Leo learned that hard work, good tools, and a kind heart can save the day.